All right, let's take a look at replacing the crank sensor now on this 2001 Dodge Intrepid with a 2.7 liter engine. Now it's a little difficult to see, kind of tricky here. I'm underneath the vehicle with the camera pointed straight up and it's hard to see. There's a lot of stuff going on here. So you can see where my finger is. This is the electrical connector for the sensor. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here and you can see that connector a little bit better. So we're on the passenger side underneath the vehicle. I'm reaching my arm in here through the passenger side wheel well, and I can depress the tab, hopefully without burning my arm on the exhaust manifold, because this thing is a little hot. There, and I've got it unplugged now, giving me access to the crank sensor here. And again, I know it's hard to see, but hopefully you get the gist of the job here. I'm going to take my 10 millimeter socket with a 1/4 inch ratchet, loosen it up, and remove the bolt. Now once the bolt is out, I'm going to gently grab the sensor and rotate it here to try and break it free. We don't want it to snap off inside the engine. And there we go. You can see I've got the old sensor out of the engine. So now I can take my new sensor. I kind of work by feel here sometimes, and we'll drop it in the hole. Take my bolt, and I'm going to align it and get it started here by hand before actually using the wrench again. Now I've got it running there quite well by hand. I will use the socket, get it tightened down, grab my electrical connector and plug it in. Lock the tab in place, make sure it's good and tight, and there you have it. Hopefully now you have a pretty good idea of what's involved with replacing the crank sensor on this 2001 Dodge Intrepid with a 2.7 liter engine.